Looking for the best automatic litter boxes 2025? In this video, we've rounded up the top self-cleaning cat boxes that make maintaining a tidy home easier than ever. Whether you're looking for odor control, multi-cat options, or a quiet, efficient system, we've got the perfect automatic litter box for you and your furry friend. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AutoScooper 11 Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The AutoScooper 11 Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is one of the best automatic litter boxes 2025, offering a hassle-free and hygienic solution for cat owners. Designed for multiple cats, it features advanced self-cleaning technology that ensures a clean litter box with minimal effort. Recognized as a top automatic litter box 2025, this unit provides integrated safety protection with an open-top design, allowing your feline friends to use it comfortably. The best self-cleaning litter box 2025 operates quietly and efficiently, making it ideal for any home. With its smart sensor technology, waste is removed automatically, reducing odors and maintaining a fresh environment. If you're looking for convenience and cleanliness, the AutoScooper 11 is the perfect choice for your pet care routine. Number 2. Automatic Cat Litter Box. The Automatic Cat Litter Box Self-Cleaning is one of the best automatic litter boxes 2025, offering a smart and hygienic solution for cat owners. With app control and weight monitoring, this ultra-quiet 86L litter box ensures hassle-free maintenance and a cleaner home. Featured in Automatic Cat Litter Box Reviews 2025, this innovative unit is perfect for multi-cat households. The best automatic litter box for multiple cats 2025 is designed with a smart health monitor to track your pet's weight and bathroom habits, helping you keep an eye on their well-being. Its safe anti-pinch technology ensures a secure experience for your furry friends, while the self-cleaning function efficiently removes waste to keep odors at bay. Upgrade your pet care routine with this high-tech, hands-free litter box today. Number 3. Neakasa M1 Open-Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The Neakasa M1 Open-Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is one of the best automatic litter boxes 2025, designed for a hassle-free and hygienic pet care experience. With app control and odor-free waste disposal, this smart automatic litter box 2025 makes cleaning effortless. Ideal for multi-cat households, it features advanced odor control technology, making it the best automatic litter box for odor control 2025. The open-top design provides comfort for your cats while ensuring easy access. This high-tech litter box automatically removes waste, sealing it in a disposable trash bag for a clean and fresh-smelling home. Say goodbye to daily scooping and enjoy the convenience of hands-free maintenance. Upgrade to the Neakasa M1 today for a smarter, cleaner pet care solution. Number 4. Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The Self-Cleaning Litter Box, 95L, is one of the best automatic litter boxes 2025, offering a stress-free solution for pet owners. Designed for multiple cats, it features advanced self-cleaning technology, ensuring a fresh and odor-free environment. As one of the most efficient automatic litter boxes 2025, this unit automatically removes waste and secures it in a disposable bag, minimizing maintenance. The app control allows you to monitor and adjust settings remotely for maximum convenience. With built-in safety protection, your cat stays safe while the litter box operates. This is truly the best self-cleaning cat box 2025, combining efficiency, smart control, and hygiene. Keep your home clean and your cat comfortable with this innovative litter box, perfect for every cat owner. Number 5. Litter Robot 4-Core. The Litter Robot 4-Core Bundle by Whisker is one of the best automatic litter boxes 2025, delivering a hassle-free, self-cleaning solution for cat owners. Designed with advanced technology, it efficiently removes waste, keeping your home fresh and odor-free. As a quiet automatic litter box 2025, it operates with minimal noise, ensuring a peaceful experience for both you and your cat. The spacious design makes it an ideal automatic litter box for large cats 2025, providing comfort and convenience for pets of all sizes. This bundle includes 6 odor trap refills, 25 liners, 30 cleaner wipes, a mat, and a fence, offering a complete hygiene solution. Keep your home cleaner and your cat happier with this premium self-cleaning litter box, an essential upgrade for every cat owner. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.